Hello everyone. Today we will learn what is C language. So let's start. C is a programming language. C language was developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories in USA in 1972. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. It is used to write the programs and execute them. C language is a high level language, but sometimes it is called as middle level language as well because it combines elements of high level languages with the functionalism of assembly language. Code written in C language is very portable. Most of part of Unix is written in C language. Unix is multi-user operating system. Now let's see, why should we learn C language? The learning of C language will encourage you to develop your own logic. It will prepare you for the advanced programming tools. Programming in C is the first step if you would like to be a good programmer. It is also ideal for system level programming. The basic concepts and programming skills of C are used in C++, C#, and Java. Lots of device drivers are made in C language. To create powerful graphics and smooth running games, we used C language. Thank you for watching this video.